Hello class. In this video we're going to show you how the awesome describe function in the Pandas module works. It gives you a terrific summary of your data. And in this case we're going to generate a random list. We're going to use the random module. We're going to generate 200 random integers between 40 and 100 using a list comprehension. This is the code that'll get that done, and we're going to call our list nums. Now, I have to import the pandas module as PD. I'll create a pandas series because we only have one data variable here. And we'll create the series from our nums list and call it data. And then we'll run the describe function for that data. And here's what we get. You'll notice we've got the count, we've got the mean, we've got the standard deviation, the lowest value, the min. We've got the quartiles and the maximum value, 100. So you get a tremendous summary of your data using the describe function of the pandas module. And here's the actual data that we use for this particular task. Hope that helps.